Two sales professionals, same experience, same product, same market. But one is on track to exceed quota by 47%, while the other one is struggling to hit 70%. The game changer, sales optimization. In the next few minutes, I'll break down exactly what sales optimization means, why it's crucial today, and how you can use it to transform your sales results. Stick around, this could change the way you think about selling forever. Hey, my name is Tony Koenig, and I've spent the last 30 years helping local businesses and sales teams move from chaos to clarity. Whether you are a seasoned sales leader or just starting out, this guide will give you the tools to maximize results and minimize wasted effort. Let's dive in. So you're a business owner, you want to grow your business, you want to take your small business to 9 figures, 10 figures, and you want to know how to do that. The way to do this is to optimize your sales. Sales optimization is more than a buzzword. It is a systematic approach to improve every part of your sales operation. Think of it like this. Traditional sales equals hard work plus luck. Optimized sales equals strategic process plus efficiency plus technology, big results. So here's how it works. Sales optimization focuses on four key areas. One is strategic optimization, targeting the right prospects at the right time. Very important. If you sell to the right people, you will make money. If you sell to the wrong people, you won't make money. Number two is process optimization, targeting or streamlining workflows and eliminating friction. And number three is performance optimization, empowering your team with training and resources. An empowered sales team build success, they grow, they make your company better. And then number four, technology optimization, leveraging the right tools to amplify results. The right tools will not only double your results, it will 10x your results. So, when these components align, you create a sales machine that outperforms competitors no matter the industry or product complexity. Why is this so important today in today's day? Because the sales landscape is evolving rapidly. Here are some statistics that will make you sit up and listen. 70% of a buying decision happens before the prospect even talks to sales. Buying committees now average 11 stakeholders. 4 people more need to see your process, your product, before a decision is made. And 59% of buyers prefer not to interact with a sales rep at all. That is a big one. So, on top of that, global competition is up 38% and quotas are climbing while resources stay flat. There is good news. Yes, the good news. These challenges create massive opportunities for teams that embrace optimization. In today's environment, it's not optional. It's the line between thriving and barely surviving. Let's break it down into the four pillars of sales optimization. So, number one is data-driven decision making. That's using analytics to prioritize opportunities and measure what works. Number two is process engineering. That is streamlining workflows to remove unnecessary steps. Number three, performance enablement, providing coaching, training, and motivation, and systems for your team. And number four, technology leverage, deploying tools like a CRM system, an AI-powered lead scoring, AI-powered lead generation, AI-powered lead response, will grow your business. Big thing is to respond in under 5 minutes. Anyway, that we will discuss in another video. I will put it in the top there, this video, but your faster response time, how much it grows your business. So each pillar is essential to creating a sales engine that is efficient, predictable, and scalable. So here are some real world results from companies that embraced optimization. A SaaS company reduced their sales cycle by 41% and increased win rates by 52%. Imagine how your business would fly if you could do that. A manufacturing firm boosted rep productivity by 35% by automating admin tasks. And a financial services firm achieved a 4.7x return on investment by aligning their sales process with the buyer's journey. These aren't just numbers, they are proof that optimization works and it works fast. So here are some pitfalls and how to avoid them. So before you jump in, avoid these common mistakes. 1. Starting with technology. You need to focus on strategy first. Number 2 is excluding frontline sales. Your team should be part of this process. And number 3 is trying to change everything at once. Prioritize and implement step by step. Optimization is a journey, not a one and done project. So, click the link in the bottom, give us a call, book an appointment, and we can help you with this process and, implement it smoothly. So when you're ready to take the next step, visit the link in the website and book an appointment or in the description. Remember, the difference between average and exceptional sales performance isn't effort, it's optimization. The choice is yours. Let's get started. I'll see you in the next video. Have a super day.